And we're live. Hello, welcome in everyone. It's a Thursday again. Time to continue designing the T-6 shuttle from Ahsoka. But first I wanted to pin a message. About the pre-supported files for Red 5. MK3 version now available on Patreon. Pin. Or if you already bought it, the MK2 version in my shops, you will get the MK3 update for free end of May once I upload the new files there. Twitchy. Pin. There you go. Okay. That is that. Okay, so today it's time for the pen lines on the bottom riser part of the T6 shuttle. And then maybe I need to do a little cleanup. We'll see how the pen lines will fit on the part. And then the rest that's left for the riser parts is the little panels that sits on top or at the bottom of those parts. And then I guess we'll see what time it is. If we continue a little bit or not. And if so, with what? Other things to do are the canopy section and cockpit section, cockpit interior, and the rear, the engines and the ball turret. So I think we just hop right in. So last time I made panel lines on the upper one and those two windows, panels, air intakes, whatever it is. And I redid those two parts because I was not satisfied with the look of it. Because I extruded it in a horizontal direction basically, and it just didn't look right, so I made it new, made a projection, and then extruded. Well, it's not extruded, it was a face and then thickened up according to the perpendicular to the direction it sits on. And now it looks way nicer. Right. Reference material. I think this is the best one that I have to see the pen lines. Or the bottom one. Is that the same? No. Put this here. Do we have in front here? Only this and this. So this one should be the same as the one up here. So I wonder if I can copy the location from this upper one. No, that's a projected one. I need the original sketch. Now I'm going to make a new sketch. And project this one. I don't know if I need others as well. I think they're not similar enough. Yeah, that's different. Those maybe. Let's see, I'll project those as well, but this one is different. And there is another one. I could check if this one is at the same location. Just take that. Okay, then let's mirror those down and let's see. No, like I thought, this is not correct. And those are also not at the correct location. So I can only use the front one, so let's deselect everything and just take this one. And then we draw in the rest. Let's see, this one joins directly into this one. So I was wondering if I delete that and make this new, or if I can merge them together nicely. Let's try the merging first, and then we'll see. Can project those as well. And I can use the midpoint here. Drag this all the way towards the front. And this one comes down here somewhere. That was not long enough. You should go onto this one here. Right, are those two parallel? Let's find out. They are more or less. As far as perspective allows to see that, I'll measure it. Oh, so let's make those parallel. This and this. Oh. Let this one end in the middle of this radius. Can delete this. And then we have to make a radius out of this corner here. But I think I will do that after I have the rest in front here. This goes more or less perpendicular. Connect to this one. And we have this line that crosses behind this piece here. And this goes back here. Didn't I? Right, what angle did I use here? I think it should be the same, I hope. Get the sketch here back. Wait, not the correct one, this one. This and this. 122. That's an odd number, but alright. Get rid of this section and then define the angle here. 122. That looks too shallow actually. What do we have here? 133, so it should be 135. I think that makes more sense. Okay, I'll bring this more to this piece. There should be a little, just a little bit space. So let's make this 0.5. Pen line will be 0.5. 0.25 on the left side, so we have 0.25 space to this thing. I think that should do. The distance between those two pen lines here in front looks less than is on my sketch right now. Where is my reference? Let's see. Pull up this picture. Can we see both? Not really. This one here. So they should be in the same location. So this should be fine. There you go. So I might need to adjust this one a little further. What do we have here? 10, yeah, create a driven one, it's okay. 1077, so let's, what is this, 16? What happens if we do this 11? That's not good. Wait, why did I put this here? What was this? The end from the mirror part? Wait a minute. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Okay, that's not correct. This needs to go further to the left on the screen. Yeah, so delete that. That needs to be more towards the front. Let's see if I can utilize the scan for this. Outer layer, inner layer, where is it? This one? should stop here somewhere. Let's project this down here. Yeah, it should be this here. There you go. Yeah, that's definitely not correct. Unfortunately, the scan is not positioned correctly for this lower part. So I can't take all the reference I see here for the right location. I need to adjust it to the actual of my cat part. Should account for the shift. I can see those panel lines here. That's nice. So I can, because the X direction should be correct. Just the Z axis is not entirely right. So let's draw those in. Oh. Or wait for fusion. Error. Creating recovery file. Yeah, that's okay, because I'm in the sketch and he can't do that while I'm in the sketch, so that's okay. And fourth one. Go a little bit more left. Need to wait till fusion unfreezes again. Come on. There you go. Just a little bit. Like that. So, what about the one back here? Could be this little shadow here. It should be. Okay. So like this. Where's my part? Boop. Got it. The rest will be projected onto the surface. That should be okay. Hey. Where did he go? Bring it back. Yep. Okay, so I have those in the front. Oh, I need to adjust this here. Right. Let's move this, and that one here. And this, and it connects to this. You know what? Let's make this a little bit longer because I don't know how this will behave once I make the radius in here. We'll see about that in a minute. This one that goes back here, this one, and this one here. I need this. This goes all the way to here. And then also 135 degrees towards the front this time. Okay. We have that. This is already in there. Okay, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one. I think that's it. Okay, so let's make this radius here. Well, I think I see something that I'm not happy with, that I might need to adjust. Let me check in a different picture if I see that there as well, or if it's just a perspective thingy. Okay, that's not sharp enough. Okay, I think this part here is a little offset from the surface, but towards the bottom and not towards the top. That's what I did here. I think it needs to go down a little bit. Question is this only this side or the other one as well? I don't have that many pictures from the other side, let alone usable pictures. There's also something, but question. Nope, also not helpful. Let's see. The other folder. What about you? No. Also not helpful. That's the wrong one. I need this. Let's see here. Yeah, there's also this edge here again. I think this is just sitting a little bit lower. And all those details need to come down a little bit. Oh boy. I'm not happy about that. That will bring this line also a little bit down, and also this part here. Let's save first and then I'll see what I can do about that. I don't know if I can just roll back the timeline and drop it down before it got merged, but I don't think that will work. Probably too many steps in between. Chances that something breaks are very high. But let's see. Oh, it is still a single part. I haven't even merged it yet. That's good to know. That's actually quite good. Let's see if I then just can move everything down. That's the question. How much? It's probably just a millimeter. That's maybe already too much. I need this one as well, I guess. And all of those in here. And can I also... No, I only can select bodies or surfaces, but not both, unfortunately. So I have to adjust this one in another step. Let's go with 0.8 for now for first shot. I wanted to kick that song off the list for a while now. Let's just do that once it's here. Oh no. Wait a minute. What's this here? How do I remove that? Remove. Alrighty. Let's continue here. 0.8. I wanted 0.8. I think I have everything, so let's confirm that. So I also need to move this. And this here. The whole pocket needs to come down as well. Anything else? I think that's it. Along this surface, minus 0.8. It looks that it works. Let's confirm that. Okay. This body back here. Cool. It didn't do anything stupid. That's nice. So, oopsie. Let's go back into our sketch. Art. No, Verbindung verloren. What? What? OBS has some issues here. Am I still live? I don't know. Twitch is kind of frozen. YouTube is still. It's probably behind. But YouTube still says I'm live. Twitch is kind of like down. Oh, great. Internets and shit. So what now? How do I confirm if I'm live or not? That's annoying. It still says offline. That's not good. I don't know if YouTube is still. Okay, can I disconnect just that? No. Start it again. Let's see if Twitch comes back or not. I think, yeah, we have a picture again. I hope YouTube will still be live. I guess I'll see when it stops. Where was I? Here. This. Right, but we're now going to sketch. This is. Ah, shit. I should have. Yeah. Roll the timeline before this sketch, then do the moves. Got to do that. Let's see if I can drag this over here. Okay, I don't think that was a good idea. Warning, additional servers have been moved. Yeah, that's okay. What about the rest? Oh god. What did I do? Well, that could take a while now because Fusion is kind of recalculating the whole assembly because I moved 2 features on the timeline. I should remember that that is not good and not do that, at least not on stream, because it can happen that this now takes 5 to 10 minutes unless I kill the app and then we lose a little bit of progress. Might be still faster than that. Let's see. I'll give it another minute and then can I just abort it? Not really. Oh well. Oh, there we go. Errors. It could not do it, I guess. Circular dependencies. Yeah, I always wonder where those circular dependencies come from. I never found them. But that's okay. Yeah, okay, let's delete those again. Oh, wait, I can just undo those two. Then I move the timeline back and then redo the moves I did. A little bit annoying, but well, that's what it is. If you don't think of everything right at the start. So, minus 0.8, was it? Hide this one again, and now the on those faces. All of you. Also minus 0.8. Okay. Right, bring this one back here. Now I can roll forward again, or wait, no, I need to move this side as well, otherwise it will not match up. I don't have proof that this is also, at least not entirely, but I will just do. I don't want to make two different sets of panel lines, so minus 0.8. Also, those surfaces, faces, whatever you want to call them. This and this one here. Move along this plane. Minus 0.8. Oh. Wait a minute. I forgot this was separate as well, so I need to... let's go back here. I need to drag this as well. Did not see that. Okay. Think I have everything now. Goody. Right. Rolling forward that we get our sketch bag. Wait, this button here. There you go. Let's save that and then we go back into the sketch and then we can... Oh, it adjusted itself, right? Because I made this reference point back here. So that one adjusted itself. That's neat. I will still save, just in case. And then right this in front here. Need to adjust that. Because now this is all... This got shifted, I guess. This back here should be alright. I'm going to check that again. Come on, Fusion, faster. Finally. Let's go back in here. This is still this. This is okay. This should be okay as well. Those are still in place. Okay, now this here. Let's see, I can throw that on screen again. Well, actually, it looks almost okay. Just a tiny little bit. Oh, was too much. I think that should be alright. Turn this off and bring my part back. I should give this a dimension 12. It's fine. Let's make this. Oh, the fuck. Oh no, that one lost its reference. Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, I'll check if this moved as well, and then this one adjusted. Let's mirror this one down here again, see if it still lines up. It does not, as expected. Okay, let's wait. Let's make this construction and constrain this onto here. All right, let's the back, I constrain that one first, that this does not move around. Then you here, boop. Can I now move you? And there you go. So now everything that is all done. Oh, son of a bitch, OBS. What is that? Why is it losing connection? I never had that before. Is now OBS or is it my PC? I don't know, but Twitch restarted again, it seems. YouTube, I think it's still live. At least it says that it still is. Or maybe there's a Twitch problem. I have no idea. Anyways, I want to put a radius on here. Let's see. Oops, I want this here. Fortunately, the scan does not line up with this part, but 14 could be all right. Okay, the base sketch is finished. Oh no, I need to delete this little section here. Now it's finished. Or wait a minute. Oh no, there are two more here on those hinge thingies. I forgot about those, so let's quickly do those. Are they visible in here? Well, that could be it. And this one here. Mm-hmm. It needs to be longer. What is this? There's also a line here, but the question is this just pencil painted on, or is this an actual panel line? Where is that one picture? No. Oh, it's probably this one that's damaged. Wait. Didn't I? I thought I made new ones. Oh, there it is. That's what I meant, but yeah, it's not. Way not sharp enough to see anything. Well, worth a shot. Yeah. That will also be interesting. The hinges, the hatches that open for the landing gear. I don't know if I am going to make a version that has landing gear. Maybe if I find an easy way to swap them out, then maybe. But I'm not sure yet. I don't think anyone will display this model in the landed position. Because this panel down here also needs to be movable. I don't know if it's just glued on or if this is an actual different panel or if it's actually articulated. Yeah, maybe in a later update, but I don't think for the initial release. Oops. Okay, but that doesn't answer my question whether or not this is an actual pen line or just pencil. It looks not deep enough to be a real pen line. See if I can get another angle of that part. Nope. No. Oh, hey Ludwig, welcome in. How was your day? How are you doing? Just trying to find out if this is an actual pen line or if it's just drawn on. But I can't find a picture where I can tell for sure. So I'm thinking about neglecting it. Where would that one go? It would go all the way to the front and then it just disappears or what? Hmm. Or does it connect with this one that goes up here? I don't see anything that transitions here. Hmm. Fine, thanks. Hope it was good too. That's great to hear. Yeah, I had a busy day. Lots of things to do, but I'm fine. So this is the CGI model, but yeah. Not good quality. If I would do it, it would go something like in here. And then it goes all the way to the front here. Let's see if I can. Oops. Those lines here. And make an offset with that. Yeah, that's not what I want. Wait a second. Jumper, welcome in. How are you doing? How was your day? What's with your chair? Why is it taking so long? How is it going over here? Are we done soon? With the panel lines maybe on this part, but not with this ship. That will still take like, I don't know, forever maybe? Oh, what is the distance now here? Tell me. 0.77. Oh, come on. This thing takes forever. Yep. It's a big ship. There's a lot of details and shit, so... And to be honest, I only work 2 to 3 hours a week on it. If... Yeah, that doesn't line up. That's bullshit. On the other hand, I can just wait. Let's make this a normal number. And then I just delete that. Make this a little bit longer, and then I can connect this with this here. There you go. Why are you red now? I have no reason to be red. So, and then I will let this panel line end at the level of this one. I think I will keep that because, like I said, I don't see a transition from this line down here. There's no shadow at all here. But if I happen to get different pictures while I'm still working on it, I might, or I then can adjust this if there is something else. If not, then that it will just stay that way. There was the usual crap. Sorry to hear that. But boulder session was good at least. That's nice. I did a little bit of training myself today, and yeah, everything hurts already. Even though I did only a little bit. It's embarrassing. Just ate some leftovers, and now it's time for pudding. Pudding again, dude. We have pudding every week. You had pudding last week, I think, or the week before that. So, checking again. I got this, this one that goes back here. Now this thing, whether it's there or not. This one, this one, this one, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this here in the back. Okay. Goodie. Still not sure about this. I think that should go alongside with this line. I have to check that again, but I will do that probably off stream. And if that is the case, then I need to remodel this part here in front, which is, well, not great. But not today. Let's save that, and then we'll project all those lines on the surfaces. 1 a week is totally fine. Oh, there's a protein pudding. Oh, well then. Oops. If it's a protein pudding, I guess that's okay. But they taste like meh. What was that? I had a pistachio protein. Was it pudding? No, I think it was a mousse. That was weird and artificial AF. Not worth it. With like, I don't know, 1% pistachio flavor or some shit. Alright, it's saved. Another sketch. I can alright, never mind. Waiting for fusion again for no reason. Honestly, I will be very happy once this model is finished because the assembly is driving me nuts. The performance is shit. should do this and don't print anything. That was basically Kriegsbrei and cinnamon like at home back in the day, but cold. Tastes pretty good actually. Okay. But it's not pudding. Just keep saving. I do. It's frustrating nevertheless. Why don't I have a radius on this edge here? Oops, did I forget that? Did I not want to do that? What's up with that? Is this here as well? Oh, there's the radius. Okay. Why is this not down here? I should probably add that before putting pen lines on there. So let's go back. And what are you? 10. Okay. Let's put on 10. And over here as well. And do I need this one? It's not working anyway, so yeah, we don't need that. That's okay. Grease pudding, whatever it is I'm eating now, and it's good. So good, Rack. Hey, enjoy your grease pudding. All right, so now we have that. Now sketch and project. Wait, did I did not. Oh, this is the only one. Okay. I need to be careful. I need all of those. I don't need that. But this and this. And oh, maybe I should have cut that here anyways, because now it's going all the way around. Well, it's actually not that bad, because this part will be merged on there anyway, so it will disappear here again. So that should be good anyways. All right. Oh, OBS again. Is Twitch still here, or I think it got restarted again. I don't know what's up with OBS today. Constantly losing connection. But I don't know if it's losing connection to Twitch or to my internet, or I'm not sure. Buffering a lot in between, but it's still there. Okay. It just gotta pop up that OBS lost connection, but not to where. And it's the third time now. So yeah, maybe I should finally update OBS. I was pushing it away for like the last 4 weeks or what. Right. Surfaces. This one. This is only on the outside panel. Right. This will go all the way through, but I think I make this a separate line. Don't know if you can manage the transition here. It's maybe problematic. So I'll do that in 2. Got this. Okay. I need this. I don't need this now. We'll do this in the second run, but I need this. Also don't need that. And that's it. Yeah. Along this vector. Oh. Yeah, I should have selected the surfaces on the other side as well, I guess. Or I can just try to mirror the operation. Let's see if I can mirror it over. So this is the first one. And then the second set will be on this. Yeah, for that I should select all the surfaces because I don't know if they will match here properly otherwise. So I'm just going to select all of them, or well, actually I don't need those, but those here, and also those. That's okay, that's okay. This on top, and this. Got all of those, and this as well. Okay, lines. We need this. All of those. I don't know why they make it blue on blue. It's so hard to see. It's so stupid. I don't know if you can see anything on your screen what I'm doing here. This one. Those 4, and this one here. That should be it. I don't need that one yet. We'll see. Along the same vector. Now they should go all the way around. That looks good, I would say. Confirm that. Confirm the sketch. And let's save. Let's see, Twitch seems to be still there. YouTube seems to be still there. Okay. Weird day today with OBS. Okay, so let's start with that one. Wait, I want to only cut the inner part so that this is not cut. Okay. So that it goes underneath this thing here. Yeah, need to clean those edges up later. Let's see what this is here. Does this... Oh, that's actually deeper than the pen line. Didn't remember that. Well, that's all right. You should... Hello? Click OK. This one. Also just cut the inner one and also not that one here. There you go. Still not sure if I like it just that it goes all the way up here, but oh, actually I can drag this down here. Easy as that sometimes. If the arrow would be on the other side, then it would not work. And I have no idea how I can influence in which direction the pipe starts and ends. I have not found a switch to change that. So that is pretty random. Okay. Oh, that one here. Okay. What? Why am I in the sketch? I think I pressed the wrong key combination. Let's go back and did it. Ah, okay. Wrong button. line. This one here. Wait. 0.5. Also only cut the inner thingy. There you go. And we still got a little bit space left to this part. Okay. That one. And this as well. That's all there. Okay. So now let's see if I can mirror those on the other side. Doop, doop. Let's try identical first. Let's see. It seems that it worked. And OBS again losing connections. You're driving me nuts today. Okay, and this one as well. This is also shorter and up here. That looks good. Nice. So now those on top here. Let's see if I can. Oh no. Bummer. Why are those lines not connected? Eh? What the fuck is that all about? I mean, It's a tiny little gap. Which you would probably never ever see. 0.0016 millimeters. Cat tolerances. Okay, let's see what went wrong here. I need this sketch back. Just in the original, probably. So let's go. Into this sketch, the base for the pen lines, and yeah, there's also the gap. Then sure, the projection will have the same gap, of course, but why is that? I don't know. Let's just see if I can connect those two. Seems that I can. Let's make sure nothing else got shifted around. Should be okay. Okay, let's see if it can update everything on its own. It can, unbelievable. Okay, let's try this again. There you go. Around the corner and back forward. Beautiful. What did you tell me? Some kind of error here. What is it? A sweep would not create a valid result. Well, try just well to change the input geometry. Well, Twitch, are you still there? I think so. Maybe. Annoying. Anyways, here 0.5, so let's try 0.3. That works. So it's most likely a problem with the tight radius here. Let's see how far we can get up to 0.5. Oh. 0.43. Maybe I need to avoid those last pieces of radius here. Let's see, can I just deselect the chain? What the fuck is this? Okay. Why is it all of a sudden inside? Oh boy, Fusion you. It looks interesting, I tell you that, but does it actually cut? Now it cut it like it's supposed to be. Okay, then it was just a visualization error. Oh, but I did not adjust the width. 0.5 I want. There you go, now it looks normal again. Okay. Funny things. So, and then if I just delete that, it should cut all the way through here. And then it almost connects to this, but I think I might still... I'd rather have this than a thinner panel line. I think the thinner panel line would be noticeable, but it's probably not. Alright, on to the next one. So let's just leave those 0.5. Actually, I will delete that again. I will do that later and delete all those things that I need to clean up in one sitting. And 4 more times. Welcome at model making. Oops. Hello? This one. No, 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 no. It is 0.5. What? There you go. Don't know what that was. Let's move on. 0.5. Okay. And this one. Right, there it's cutting both. That's all right. Right? Yep. So let's check if I got all of them. This one, this one, this one, this. Those four in the back, and this one in the very back. Looking good. Still don't know what I should think of that, but it is what it is now, I guess. So, I should save and then take a quick look at a reference, compare it against it. And then I hope we are done with the panel lines on those parts. All right, let's put this up here. Not the perfect picture, but it should do. Try to. I should probably activate perspective here. Looks good to me so far, but I think this radius here needs to be a little bit bigger. Looks a little bit too short, so I might adjust that real quick. But for the rest, I would say it's good. And then I need to make whatever this is. It's probably some part of a hinge or something. I'm not sure. But there is a little cutout and there something comes out of it. So I'm going to do that. And we also need the fins back here as well. Almost forgot about those. I should maybe put that on the to-do list. Might make that picture a little bit too small, but that's okay. Okay, so let's just adjust this radius real quick. Hopefully it updates everything automatically without throwing an error. We'll see. We have 14, let's try 20. Let's see how that looks. Oh, one pipe did not survive. Which one is it? I think the one that we adjusted. Yeah, right. Ooh. Oh, I still have perspective mode on. Let's turn that off. So why aren't you going all the way over here and zip, like I did before? Okay. Oh. That definitely looks better. If OBS would tell me what connection it's missing or losing. Annoying. Anyway, I don't need excellent. What the fuck? Go away. Pinch thingies. Let's see. It cuts into both the this part and the outer layer part. Let me see real quick if I can find a picture where we can see a little bit more or from another perspective. Not so much. This is the one that I... Is it? Let's check on the other side if those things are on both sides or just on one. There should be one of them. The other one should be here in the smush. Yeah, there are the two of them. All right, so I will do both sides. Let's put some rough geometry in there. And check the scan if I can see anything in there. Oh. Right, because... Okay. Cannot really see anything here, so that's not helpful, unfortunately. Okay, can get rid of this again and go back into the sketch view. So where's the other part here? Okay, so it is half distance from from this edge to this edge. Can I? Wait a minute. I can select the very outside of the radius. That's unfortunate. But, well, I can just draw something here. Why does it not? Why does it not snap to this corner here? Is this a... Oh. Are you still a separate part? Yes, you are. Okay. That's why. That's okay. Does not need to be that exact. That's totally fine. So this needs to go up here. And it just cuts a little bit into this outer part. Now about the width. Wait, this was the wrong way. 2.5, 1.25. .25, there you go. And it's not centered around the pen line. Is it? Oh, maybe it is. Let's just center it. Oh. Can use this edge. And I can make a little center line. And make those two symmetric to this. Boop. There you go. Okay, if this and that. Yeah, I think I just draw the geometry of the part that will be inside here as well in the sketch. Wait a minute, can I just... Can't do that, wait a minute. I'll just make an offset of the whole. thingy here. Now that should be 0.5 millimeters left. Yeah. It looks a little bit thin. Let's make this 0.3. Yeah, I think this is better. And oh yeah, it's a little bit thicker then, and it's not prone to break off, because that can actually happen, I guess, with those parts here sticking out like that and being thin like that. Well, gotta be careful. Okay, I think that's all I need for now. So let's create a cutting tool. I need 2 sides. How far does this go in? Not much. Whatever, 0.5. I think it's already enough. And let's make this 1.5. This one is already enough. Okay, let's make this a new body. This will be our cutting tool. I will copy that and mirror it to the other side. Then I can cut out this little recessed pocket. Let's see. What's the distance from here to here? We take that. Copy and paste. Move that minus this. And there you go. Mirror here. And then let's cut this. This, and this. Do I keep the tools? I don't think that I will need them again. I don't think so. Let's... What? Why can I not confirm that now? Hello? What is this now here? Creating recovery file has failed. Well, yeah, whatever. But let's... Okay, let's cancel it. That error probably ruined the operation. Let's try this again. I should have saved. Well, let's see what happens. It's still alive. Good. So let's try that again. This, and this. Cut. Oh, actually, I do need the tools because I need to cut this as well. Because I cannot select 2 target bodies. That's totally stupid. I hope they will add that in the future. I don't see the point where you can only select 1. maybe I'm missing something, but for me it doesn't make sense. So now I need to redo this step again and select this one, because I don't want to merge those two yet, just in case. Okay, now those 4 again, but now I can remove the tools. And just like that, we have the pocket. And now let's, sorry, let's do this. Whatever it is that comes out of there. Actually, let's make this 2 sides. This 0.5 is okay. This. One millimeter. Let's see. Do I have a picture where I can see how far this comes out or not? Where was that one? This here? No. Too blurry. That's too many pictures. I never remember. Let's keep looking. What about this one? Nope. Oh, no. No. Okay, let's just eyeball that. I would say 0.8. Oh, wait. Don't join. Make this a new one. And going to throw some fillets on it to make it round like this here. Mini fusion is okay again. Oh, come on. Oopsie. This And this edge. Okay. Okay, now I can hide the sketch. Again, copy and paste. Or do I still have that belt? Oh, the fuck. This one here. One, two, mirror to the other side. There you go. Okay, let's join those. Don't see a reason why not. Combine. Okay. So now we got those. Okay, let's save this. I need to quickly restructure my to-do list. But for some reason, when Fusion is freezing, OneNote freezes as well. I have to wait. There you go, finally. Yeah. Bottom. Clean up. We'll make this off stream. Did this? No. This here. Okay. I'll go to the restroom real quick. And when I come back, I'm going to make the fins in the back, like those up top here. It has smaller ones on the bottom one as well. And if I have this, then I'll see if I keep on streaming for a little while or if that's it for today. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, we're back. So, fins. Let's see. I have to check how I did those up there, and then I will just copy the procedure down here. Did I combine this? Yes. So I should check if I can still find the feature that I used down here in the timeline. Let's see. Oh, there is this. Those are sketches from the door. And then why did I combine that so late? Let's see, what's also door. Minimum. This here, maybe? What did I do there? Oh, that's just the cutting tool, not the actual shape. Oops. Where did you go? Wait a minute. That was the first attempt, but this was not what I did in the end, was it? Oopsie. This is not that. I'm confused. This was the cut. Yeah. But where does this come from? What did I do there? I don't get it. I can't find it. Why can't I find it? Eh? Oh boy. Let's roll that. I clicked something wrong. Oh, I did not mean to click that. Fuck. Bummer. Oh, YouTube is still on. Be right back. Oh god, this is so delayed everything. Yeah, I don't want to rename that. Go away. want to roll back. So, hello. Go back. This is a deleted phase. Okay. Rolling back further. Okay, I think, yeah, I need this plane and then sketch on this and then just extrude and then cut it from the other side, and that should be it. Okay. Okay. Let's roll it forward again. I will make this the same dimensions. This is 1 millimeter, and the offset 0.5. Not exactly, but it should be 0.5. Why is it? It's 0.5. Okay, some rounding error or what? Okay, so I need one here and another one here. Place a plane here. Wait, I should have measured this first, or is it? No, it's not. 1.42. Just copy that. In which direction though? Should be this way. Minus 1.42. Let's see. This should now be perpendicular to, oops, this one. 90 degrees. Goodie. And another one to this. Yeah, probably do this after this sketch. Might get too confusing. Hello. Ah, come on. There you go. Whoa, that's a weird position. Okay. I can work with that. So. This goes all the way into this radius here. So this is 1, and let's make this 8.5. Let's pick this point as a reference. 0.5. I think I will leave that overlap here. See, now let's make this 1 millimeter. Nice round number. That should do it. That will come out here. How much? 2.5. And in the other direction, 2. 2.5 and 2. Actually, let me check if there should be another picture where I can see how far those go inside. Or is it just for the upper one? I don't know. Let's see. Reference. Wait, not this one. This here. Oh, those actually blend in with the internal structure. Okay. The ones on the top one do not. Or do they? Actually, I don't know. Yeah, there's also something inside here, so that also then blends in with this. Yeah, this is also something that I still have to do, but there is so little reference, you only see fractions of that inside structure, so I will do my best to replicate that in a way, but, well, it will just be rough, I guess. And for the most part, you will not see what's inside there anyways. But I will do that at a later point once I know, once the outside geometry is finished and I know how this inside will be. Because if I have to redo that again with those pockets and shit like that, that it will destroy the inside geometry as well, I guess. So I will wait with that. But I should probably add this to my to-do list because I don't think it's on there. So that I don't forget. Actually, let's take this one here. Okay. Put that on the list. So, yeah, that's all right here. Then I can just let's go inside for whatever value, and then it will blend in with the rest later on. So yeah, this was this one. Do I first need to make the sketches and then I think so, because I can trim those with one. No, actually I cannot. No, I should not. At least. No. Okay. Never mind. Let's put this plane here. Goes minus, what did I this here? Minus 7.58. Now those two should be perpendicular. Oh, that's close enough. I'll take that. Let's place a sketch here. That will be our reference. Part will be here somewhere. Just put in the rough thingy. Oh. I wanted to do the dimensions. This is 1. This is 0.5. And actually, I should be able to see that in the scan, don't I? I totally forgot about that. Let's check that real quick. Okay, no, it's not. Unfortunately, it's not visible. Not quite. The upper one could be this here. Yeah. Let's see, what about the other side? There's at least a little bit of texture, but I don't know if that is accurate. At this point, I don't think so. Let's draw that. Can I draw this? Let's see. If that will help me, that was 9 millimeters. Okay. this was not parallel. What's the parallel value? Yeah, okay, 9.05. So basically 9 as well. So let's put this here. Let's make this 9. It's almost 9 anyway, so then I only need to locate it correctly. There should be a little gap between the end of this and this fin. Okay, there's something here, but that probably does not make the most sense. Where's my calculator? This is let's see. I could reference it to this corner here, and that should be 10.5 maybe. We still have the gap here. Oh. But all I have this gap is in this perspective, not in this one. So from this point of view, we still have the gap, so that could be actually okay. I guess we'll see. So now I forgot, but it was 2.5. But let's first check if those two fins, the upper ones and the lower ones, stick out the same amount or not. Okay, that's not helpful. This is 5 mm on the picture. What about down here? That's also 5-ish. So they are the same, so make it the same. And that was 2.5 if I remember correctly. 2.5 it is. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I need to take this offset into account. This is 0.35 minus 2.5. Actually, I need two sides, right? So, make this a new body. Come on, Fusion. There you go. Okay. Same thing down here. Plus this, make this also a new body. Oops. .5 and 2. All right, so let's put the chamfers and the fillets on them. First, let's hide the sketches. Because all those lines are always a little distracting. Oopsie. So we need chamfers here and there. And I would make all 4 of them the same. Let's see. I don't know if it's actually a 45-degree chamfer. Let's see. Can I check this in the reference material? This is 40. What about you? All's 40. It's not 45. Interesting. just looking wrong here? Little off. What's the question if that was intentional or not? But I'm just going to replicate that, but I need distance and angle. Let's do this 50. Wait. Am I now 40 or 50? Just 5, but I need to go further in, so it's 50. Could be. $50. Yep. 50 is correct. Does it make all the same? Yes. Okay. So then the distance 1.5. Oopsie. Just 1 comma. .25 looks nice. I'll take that. Give Fusion a minute and then we'll mirror those two over to the other side. And then it's time to save again. And then I'm probably gonna call it for today. Wait a second. Don't know if I'm happy with the location of this part here. Or if that should come down a little bit. Yeah, it might need to come down a little bit. Let's see if I can find another picture. Hard to tell. It's definitely a little bit lower. Let's go in the sketch real quick, and this is the wrong way. Oh. I hate it when it's changing the sketch view. Like the 0.75. Oh, but this that will also then move my other part. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. So I also need to go in here. Oof. This 0.2, so it moved 0.2. Let's subtract this from this one, so it's 5.5. Okay. Yeah, I think I like this better, and it's a little more inside. Okay. This and this. Mirror over here. And I already merged them up here, but I'm not sure. Maybe I leave them as separate parts for now, until I make the inside layer here. Maybe that's better. What was this? Actually, okay. Fusion is so slow. There you go. This, what's this one here? Okay. I don't think that I need that anymore. So, and what is this? Ah, this was when I cut it, that thing here. Don't need that anymore as well. I think I can just throw them in this folder. Let's this and this one. There you go. Okay. I can cross all that off the list. The fins in the bag, we did that. Okay. So the next thing will be cleaning up a little bit of those panel lines, but I will probably do that off stream. And then the panels that come on top of this surface here and the other one here. And then probably checking if we can finalize the design of those two parts, and then I will make the inside layer. And then I have to check some structural things, but I guess I will also do that off stream because this could be a little bit tedious. I don't know yet. But yeah, oh, I did not save. Let's save that. And then I will say goodbye for today. There won't be a stream for the next, is it 4 weeks? Let me check real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, at least for the next 4 weeks, there will be no stream as I am in Japan for 3.5 weeks. So that will be fun. It probably will be exhausting as well, but it should mostly be fun. And I will go to one of the biggest, if not the biggest, model supply shop in Japan, if not in the world, I don't know, but I think it's the biggest one in Japan. So I'm excited about that, and a lot of other things. I try to film some things here and there, and maybe I can make a little Japan vlog or something. We'll see how that goes. If I remember to film, if I have enough energy to film, and so on. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. I hope you had a good time, and hopefully see you then in more than 5 weeks. That's a long time. But time flies at the moment like crazy, so at least for me it will be in no time. I will be back, I guess. So I wish you a good evening, a good night, a good time zone. Have a good time, and yeah, hopefully see you in 5 weeks. Bye bye. Good night, Jumper. This is